Good afternoon, students.
Ma'am,
Moon, beta, what is wrong? Nobody is replying.
ma'am, in 29th question. Ma'am, in 29th question.
Okay, wait. Everybody wait. Everybody wait. Good afternoon. How do you start your class? By wishing. What is wrong? First of all, everybody say good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good, my KG class students. Very good. They have learnt this thing today. Okay, now say what is the problem?
Ma'am, in
Good
29th question is run of Kutch. Which desert
Yes,
is
yes, beta, yes. So don't worry at all. That question you are going to get marks. Even if you have marked Thar Desert, you are going to get 1 marks for that. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
okay, ma'am?
Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
and how was your exam? Otherwise, apart from that 29th question?
Ma'am, our exam is going very good.
Very good. The paper was easy for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful, beta, wonderful. So what we are going to do today? Of course, we are not going to study today because we had our SST exam today. Why will we study? What are we going to do today? Think of something.
Ma'am, quiz.
Yes,
Ma'am, quiz.
quiz.
Say again.
Quiz related to what?
Ma'am, or activity.
Yes, let's do some activity. Now you have to give me very good ideas. What kind of activity can we start? Can we do? All of you write, give one idea or whatever ideas you have in your mind in the chat box. Let me see what everybody has in his or her mind. Till then, I will mark your attendance. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. I want one idea by each student. Mute yourself, Karthik. Karthik. And everyone, children, please open your cameras. It's looking like only I'm there in the class. Nobody else is here, huh? Okay, let me see what ideas I have got so far. So I have got no idea so far. Nobody knows. Nobody has any idea in his mind of what we can do. If
Ma'am,
you,
I have an idea.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I will type the idea on chat box.
All right.
Good afternoon.
Now, good afternoon. Now, when Noel is speaking, nobody else will speak. When one person is talking, no student will talk in between. Only
Ma'am,
when he or she finishes, when any student finishes, please start your issue or talk, whatever then. Yes, Noel, go on.
my idea is that you will say a color and we have to get that color, and whosoever will get that color first will be the winner.
All right. So it's like color hunt. The game is color hunt, and you have to.
Ma'am, we have to choose the color. Then that is a green. Ma'am, we have to choose the green color. We have
Yes,
to
you
show
have
you.
to choose. You have to choose any object of that color. Okay, you can
When
pick
can I
any
start?
object. You can show that color in any form, but please don't bring your pencil colors on your table and show. Fine, pencil colors are not allowed. By chance, if
Okay,
your
ma'am.
pencil has got red color, then
Ma'am,
in
if
that
you-
case you can show.
Ma'am, it is golden.
Whatever, if I speak gold,
In
yes,
golden
like
color, we
this,
have to-
like this. You can show like this. All right,
Okay, ma'am.
I have played this game. Good afternoon, beta. I have played this game before also.
Yes, ma'am. In Hindi, ma'am, we
we
Ma'am,
also play this
ma'am,
game
in-
in online class.
ma'am, in
Yes,
Kali, ma'am, we
ma'am.
ma'am,
Ma'am, with
ma'am, we
Palak
play
ma'am,
Kati
we play
Patak
this
Tera
game.
kaun sa rang?
Ma'am, I
Okay.
can tell one thing.
Yes, tell. First open
Ma'am,
your camera and then tell.
Ma'am, I got 13 out of 13 SST test.
30 out of 30. It wasn't 13.
Ma'am, I got 29 out of 30. Ma'am, because of
Ma'am,
the
I get
present-
30. Ma'am, I get 30
Ma'am,
out of
I got the
28.
29 out of 30 because of that question only.
Ma'am, I also get.
So don't
29
worry,
of
it will be if because of the 29th question, your 1 mark is cut. Don't worry about that. You're going to get full marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, how are Shaurya and Apurva going to run for colors?
Anji,
Yes, Apurva and Shaurya, how will you show colors? You are stuck at a place. It looks like you are packed at one place. How will you quickly get up and run? Will you be able to? So get ready for the game. Already stand up. Already be in standing position, beta. Otherwise, it will take time. Okay, Apurva is already wearing a very colorful thing. So she's got so many colors on her. And Shaurya also has 2-3 colors on him. Very good. Very nice. Now this one, Noel is standing right in front of his bookshelf. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Where is Tanmay's camera? Why is it closed? Where is Pratishtha, Saloni, Ritvik? I can't see these students. So when you're playing this game, you're supposed to put your cameras on. Okay.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
because of the national network problem,
We are
ma'am,
playing.
because of the network problem, they cannot be open the camera.
All right. Tanmay beta, we are playing color hunt game. I'm going to call out a color and you have to bring any object of that particular color. Okay. So let me see who brings it first. Noel is so excited that he's already jumping. Okay. So the first color that you have to get is black. Black. Okay. Noel and Shaurya. Noel, Shaurya, Karthik, Nihit. Everyone has shown me. Black color. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Next, you have to show something in light green color. Light green color. Let me see who shows it. Very good. Karthik. Karthik. Karthik is the winner and Shaurya, I am saying that I will not allow colors. You are not supposed to keep your colors on the table. Like this, beta, each color you will pick up and show. Go run around and hunt for something of the same color.
Ma'am, light
So,
green.
Karthik is the winner for light green color. Very good. Okay. Next, you have to show me red color.
Red color. Ma'am, red color.
See? Now, very good. Nihit, Krishav, Tanmay, very nice. You've shown red color, but Krishav just forgot that his t-shirt is of red color. He was still looking for something in red color.
Ma'am, I have also red color.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. Now, Karthik, are you going to show this book again and again for all the colors? Go get up. Look for something else. I will not allow one thing many times. Okay. Next, I want pink color.
Pink.
Very good. Nihit is the winner. Very nice. Shaurya, you forgot your t-shirt has got pink color on it. What color is it?
Ma'am,
Very good. Very
ma'am,
nice.
this is
Now I want to see brown color.
Brown color, brown color, brown color,
Noel showed it first. Brown color.
brown. Ma'am,
Now he is
brown
opening.
color.
Tanmay, very nice. Tanmay is
Brown
opening
color.
his Horlicks ka dabba, right? To show brown color. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have made the project which you have said, ma'am, air pollution and water pollution, ma'am, that one.
Very nice. Very good. Now, children, I have done so many other projects with 4th C. They have made at least 5 posters. Now, all of you listen to one very important thing. Tomorrow is a holiday. You have to bring chart papers at your home. Now we are done with our syllabus, beta. We are going to do craft work and these poster making and all this in our classes. Okay. So I want all of you to have white chart papers with you. If suppose you don't get white chart paper, then you can bring any other color. Bring a long scale. Bring a long scale. Bring sketch pens, pencil colors or crayon colors, whatever you want. And I want nobody to say, ma'am, I don't have a chart paper. Each
Ma'am,
one of
tomorrow
you,
is Sunday.
beta,
Ma'am,
so
today
that is why na, it's a holiday. It will be easy for you to go.
Ma'am,
From
tomorrow I
Monday
go to.
onwards, we are going to do chart work.
Ma'am,
Yes?
tomorrow I
on
go.
Sunday no classes.
What are you saying, Noel?
I'm on Sunday. There are no classes.
That is why you will be free. You will easily go to market on Sunday. So tomorrow you have to do this work.
one class.
PD class. French class,
French.
that is in evening. Why are you worried for that class?
Ma'am, green color.
Very nice, Tanmay. Very good. But Tanmay, I can't see the border of your poster. You should make proper border. When you have divided the page, do it with a sketch pen to show it very nicely that it is divided into 4 parts.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next, okay, one more important thing. This poster making, craft work and all comes under your classroom discipline and your notebook work. It is of 10 marks. Those students who will not show me this work will not get marks in notebook and classroom discipline. You will get 0. So it is compulsory for all of you to do this work. Whatever is told to be done in class. Like you did that states work, you made those unique features of all the states. Then we did one poster. Which poster have we done? Types of pollution, right? That is compulsory. How you do the work, your marks are based on that. Okay. If it is very beautiful, you will get 5 on 5, 10 on 10. Fine. So you have to do it very nicely. There will be students who will get 0 on it because they have not, they will, why? Because they will not show me their work. So they will get 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next color that I want you to pick is white color. Very nice. Tanmay, Shriya, Shaurya Purva, Karthik, Krishav. Good. All right. The next color that you have to bring is yellow color. Very good, Nihit. Karthik, what is Karthik showing me in yellow color? Okay, this is golden, Krisha. You can't mix yellow and golden. Very good, Ritvik. Very nice, Apurva, Shaurya. Good. The next color that you have to get is silver color. Now let me see if you can find something in silver color. Wow, Tanmay has got his casserole. So innovative. Huh? This silver color. Okay, Krishav is showing silver color on a wall clock. Very good. What is it, Shaurya, in your hand? It's a blade.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, such a risky thing in your hand. Keep it back. Very nice. Very good, children. Okay, next. Can you show me something in copper color? You know what is copper color?
Ma'am, multicolor.
No, copper color.
please check
This is not copper. This is violet. What is copper color?
Ma'am, blue.
It is a mix of gold and rose color.
Gold and rose color.
Yes.
Ma'am,
You
I
have
do not
copper jugs in your kitchen. I'm sure most of you will be having copper jugs.
Ma'am, this. Ma'am, this.
No, not this.
Ma'am,
This is
this.
not copper color. Okay, now everybody
Ma'am,
look for copper color. Just Google what color is copper color. You will see.
Ma'am,
It's
this.
a rose gold kind of a color.
Ma'am, this one also having a copper wire, but it is lost.
Yes, you have seen copper wire. That is copper color. When we see any electric wire from inside, what color is it? That's copper color.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent the activity of pollution.
Okay, everybody Google one thing, copper jugs. You will see what a copper color is. Can you see this? Are you being able to relate what copper color is?
Ma'am, this one.
I was showing on camera, beta. This is copper color.
Ma'am, this one is copper color.
Yes, the one I'm showing. See, we have copper jugs. I'm sure you have seen these kind of jugs.
Ma'am, please see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have, ma'am, but ma'am, the color is fade.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am seeing copper color. This is a copper color. Ma'am, the copper wire.
I can't see, beta. I can't see. Oh, that car. Krishav is showing me that car. Okay.
Ma'am, a copper wire from a wire.
Yes, very nice, Shreyansh. That's exactly a
Ma'am,
copper.
I can Honda City.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now, next, I think we'll fall short of colors. Blue color. Who is going to show me blue color?
Blue, blue color.
Very nice. Shaurya, Purva, and Shreyansh. Shaurya, Purva, and Shreyansh are the first ones to show me blue color.
Ma'am, this.
Ma'am, and the common one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this.
Ma'am, the Captain America dress is blue.
Ma'am, this. Ma'am, this
Very
blue
good,
color.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Now, which color? Which color? Off-white color. Show me off-white.
Ma'am, off-white means?
Means the one that Apurva is showing. Off-white is the one that Apurva is showing us.
Ma'am, white tiger.
Very good. Very nice. Now see, Shrishti Gupta, you're lying on the bed and taking your class. Huh? Is this how you're supposed to be in your class?
Ma'am,
All other students are standing or sitting.
Ma'am, see?
Yes, Peter. Yes. Very nice.
Ma'am, white.
Please see.
Good, good, good. Very good.
White.
Off-white. Off-white. There is a difference between white and off-white. White is what?
Ma'am, please see, ma'am, the magic.
What magic is it? Okay. Next we have which color? Now I'm just going to speak the last color because this activity is a little boring.
No, now we,
Orange
ma'am.
color. Who is going to show me orange color?
Orange color. Orange color.
Shreyansh Patel. Very good. Very nice.
Orange,
No,
orange,
Shaurya is showing.
orange.
Shaurya is showing correct one because I'm not allowing colors, beta. Apurva, I'm
Ma'am,
not allowing
orange.
colors. Very good. Very nice. Shaurya and Apurva. Okay.
Ma'am, orange.
Yes, but it looks like yellow. Rishabh, your orange looks like yellow. Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, this candle.
Okay, now everybody, I have one activity to give you.
Ma'am,
This
what?
is Atlas. The name of the activity is Atlas. Go get your rough
AT.
copies or your social studies copies. I'm going to tell you what you are supposed to do.
Ma'am, ATLAS.
Ma'am, book
Yes.
or copy.
Copy, beta, copy, social studies, copy. And your pencils also.
Ma'am, can we play the oral?
No. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent the diagrams of pollution.
Okay, let me see. Where have you sent? In the class group. All right. Very nice, Ritvik. Just lovely work.
Thank
Too
you,
good.
ma'am.
Too good, beta. Very nice. See, children, this is how I expect you to do the work. He has done it so beautifully. How nice the poster is looking. Wonderful, beta. And those who have not sent, I'm telling you, I'm going to cut marks. Now it's up to you. If you want to send your work, you have Sunday tomorrow, you can easily make and send. Because Monday you just have your GK paper. Nothing difficult. Okay. Everybody ready with your copies and your pencils? Now children,
Ma'am,
see,
what
it is a time-based game. All right. You have 5 minutes with you. Right after 5 minutes, you have to stop writing. Everybody,
Ma'am, what do we have to write?
listen, I'm not done, beta. Please listen to the instruction first, then interrupt. Everybody, first of all, open your camera. Those who will not open the camera, you'll be disqualified from the game. Secondly, what you have to do, you have to write down today's date and the topic, the heading Atlas in your copy. What you have to do is, in these 5 minutes, you have to write down all the places. It could be towns, it could be cities, it could be states, it could be countries with a particular letter, starting with a particular letter. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
It is a time-based game. After 5 minutes, see, I will tell you what the time is. When I will announce the letter, then I will disclose the time. And on the 6th minute, I want your picture on the class group. In 5 minutes, you will write it. In the 6th minute, you are going to open 4th A group, click on the camera and click your picture and send me. Don't forget to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay? Got the game? What you have to do? Anybody
Yes.
whose picture will be received in the 7th minute will not be counted. So if you want to be in the qualified list, you have to take care of the time limit. Is that clear to everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the first letter?
Now, everybody has written today's date,
Yes, ma'am.
heading, Atlas.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, you can write names of towns, cities, states, countries, capital, anything. Okay, it should be
Okay,
a
ma'am.
place. Your letter is S for sun. S for
Ma'am.
sun.
Mm.
All the places should begin with letter S. Everyone's camera should be on. Nobody will take Google help.
Ma'am, from which word?
S, beta, S. The letter is S.
To make the, ma'am, we have to make the sentence.
What are you saying, Krisha? I'm saying you have to write down the names of places. It could be a city, it could be a town, it could be a state, a country, anything. Your time starts at 1:30. At 1:35, you will stop. And at 1:36, I should be getting your images on the class group. Noel, open your camera, otherwise you will be disqualified. Ritvik, Tanmay, Srishti.
Ma'am, I have write the 5 words. Ma'am, I have written the 5 words. Ma'am,
Ma'am, can we write 5 words or more than 5 words?
Ma'am, we have to write more than 5 words.
Rishabh, why can't you put your mute button on? It's only you in the class who is unmuted.
Ma'am, can we write only 5 words?
Why? You don't want to win the game? Write down as many as you can. I'm telling that it's a 5 minutes game. Does not mean you have to write only 5 places.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Wonderful. Now send it. Let me see who has sent maximum number of places. The one who will send maximum number of places will be the winner. (136) I have not received a single picture. At 137, you all will be disqualified.
Ma'am, the
Time is over. Yes, the time is over. It's 136. Hurry up and send me. Very good. Karthik has sent me. Very nice.
Ma'am, this
Karthik?
is the last class.
Yes, this is your last class. Karthik has sent, Saloni has sent, Noel has sent. Southeast Europe. So that means you can name Europe many times. Southwest Europe, Southeast Europe.
Southwest Europe.
South India. Somalia. What is that place? Somalia?
Ma'am, Somalia.
Somalia. Okay. South Africa, South Asia, South India, Scotland, Southern England, Spain, Southeast Europe. All right. Saloni, Sarkagar, Switzerland. What is Singapore? Okay, Singapore. Sri Lanka, South Africa. Now let me see Karthik's Surat, Shahjahanpur, Shimla, Srinagar. What is Sitapur. Okay. Saharanpur, Sri Lanka. Satellite. Very nice place, beta. South Korea. Then, so that's Saudi Arabia. All right, children. Till now, I have Karthik as the winner of the class. Now, this one is from Apurva. Singapore, Switzerland, Saharanpur, Sajapur, Shergarh, Srinagar, Shimla, Shillong, South Africa, South America, Spain.
Ma'am, Sweden.
Shamsher Nagar, Sweden. Okay, Sweden. Very nice. Apurva Gangwar is the winner. Then I have one from this one also, Shaure Gangwar. But Shaure Gangwar got late in sending. Sweden, Singapore, Switzerland, Saharanpur, Shahjahanpur, Shergarh, Srinagar, Shimla, Shillong, South Africa, South America, Spain, Sri Lanka, and Shahjahanpur. What is that? Shamsherpur. What is Shamsherpur? I have not heard of this place. Very nice.
And Shamsher Nagar.
Shamsher Nagar. Yes, Shamsher Nagar. All right, children. So many of you missed Shimla. Shimla is such a common place. So many of you missed Sikkim. Sikkim.
Ma'am, I have written Shimla. Ma'am, I have written Shimla.
Yes. Shillong. How many of you have
We
written
have
Shillong?
Ma'am, we have written
Very nice.
Shillong.
Shillong you have written? Yes, you have written Shillong. Yes?
Ma'am, I have written Sri Lanka.
Yes, Sri Lanka is a common place. Very nice. So here I think it's time to end the class now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Children, please mark my my instructions very carefully. On Monday, we will meet
Okay, ma'am.
with chart papers and everything. Okay? Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.